Hi guys. Welcome to another vlog or Vlogmas or whatever it is now. Anyway, today is hey guys, don't mind my hair, I'll do it. Today is a Friday and I'm just trying to do my eyebrows. Yeah, so honestly I'm not up to anything. I'm just doing my eyebrows, then I'm gonna cook, and yeah, we'll see how everything turns out in this vlog. Honestly, I don't have much planned, but we'll see, because I have a lot of customers now, because I think people are just getting ready for Christmas, so I won't be up to anything much. Yeah, so I'm at Dre's house for a sleepover. I'm with the kids. Yeah, Maroban. Anyway, so we'll catch you guys. If you guys want to say hi.
Hi. Hi. I'm Riley. I'm Obake.
Okay, guys, we'll catch you later. Yeah, catch you later.
It's like I'm not watching the videos.
Good morning. Guys, I just made breakfast. Breakfast. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to dish out right now. My plate. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, please. What's up?
I said, you know, Kumapale. You know, it's so expensive.
Why you just want to bread?
I don't like my stuff.
Content creation is not a joke. I literally got off the car just to go and record. Hi. Hello. Your face, yours. Prime Master, hello. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. We are off to the bundies. What did it do?
Fine.
You're fine. Where are you going? Are you happy?
Yes.
Hi guys. So we're traveling. We are going to Mahalapan. And as usual, we're having my fave. Thank you, sweetie. When will it be done?
Ma?
How long should I wait?
Just 2 minutes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Pizza, egg,
Let's see what's on the menu today. Pizza, egg, salad, and banana. Okay, I think I have pizza as well.
we don't have pizza, guys.
But you wrote pizza on your menu.
We don't.
Okay, sweeties, thank you. The egg will do just fine, okay?
You want a pickle?
Yes, please.
Pickle too.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
How much is it?
It's 1 peanut, please.
Okay, thank you. We are stuck on the road. Guys, this is how much water there is. Seriously, after the rain, I can't even go anywhere. Well, I was trying to go to a client, but I can't because I don't think we're gonna pass here. I doubt. That's where I'm coming from. Good morning. Today is the 24th. It's Christmas Eve, and this is our breakfast. I think we eat like this every single day, well, except for days where we have like soft porridge. So I'm having tea with milk. So yeah. Isn't this cute? Guys, it's 1 minute to 12. Still the 24th of December. Like it turns. I think it's a yellow one. What on this didn't? No, I'm not thinking of Dona, I don't know what I do. Get tuned. I get the galago. Get the galago. Woo! Ratun Tiger, I get up. Why, dear? I rushed the galago. Vera que hala. Ahí era. What's up? I'm not paying. What the fuck? I'm going to make you see a lot of my own pay. Okay, here. You will? Can't I sort of darling? What come around the shoes? Woo! Oh, Elana. I think it's game. Hey. Let's go leave this up on too. Hey, what's guys are going to me? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, guys! Merry Christmas! I hope you guys are gonna enjoy your day. I hope you're gonna be spending it with family, friends, basically just loved ones. So I'm starting today's clip or today's section of the vlogmas because, well, in the car, because I'm heading to my friend's house for a champagne breakfast. When I'm champagne breakfast, I think they're also gonna have a lunch, but I think I'm only gonna join them for the breakfast section of it. Yeah, and then join my family over for lunch. So I'm putting on this scarf, guys. I did a puff because my hairdressers just keep disappointing me. So I'm this girl now, so I'm just gonna take that off because I'm almost there anyway. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas. I hope that I will get enough footage for you guys to enjoy my Christmas with me, and yeah, I will catch you guys there. Guys, I left my makeup in Gibbs, and today is the day that I actually regretted that. Okay, so yeah, the theme is black, is to wear something black. Luckily I packed something. Okay, they've been planning this, guys, for like the entire time, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna come to my Mahalape for Christmas because, you know, just the uncertainty of the lockdown and all that stuff. I didn't want to commit to anything and then not show up last minute, inconveniencing others. So anyway, yeah, let's go and enjoy breakfast.
Went pretty much like this.
If you want a Christmas day, I can give you a cup of cocoa. Even if it was cold.
So this is our very own 7-color lunch. Christmas lunch. Sweet potato, butternut, coleslaw, beetroot, chicken, goat meat, rice. Alrighty. Okay, yeah, what's it take outside? Literally. Oh, and that's B.
Some tears will dry by. You'll be fine, don't worry, babe. I'll light up the candles for you. I will say
It's literally 5 minutes to 7. Hi, what's the name? Hi guys. This cafe thing. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. So yeah, let's see if we'll make it on time. We made it. 30 seconds to 7, okay? We made it. Hello. Hi guys. I finally did my hair, okay? Yeah, I just came here to flat my new hairstyle. I literally just got it done like right now. So now I'm heading to the mall. Today's a Sunday, by the way. I'm heading to the mall. I have to buy a few stuff and then deposit money for Riley's school fees. I'm driving anyway, so don't mind me. The last time I was here, the ATMs were not working, so I'm trying again. Guys, it feels so good to do my hair. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Guys, it's really hectic posting a video in my halabe. I swear to God. The network is bad. The network is really bad. Just from like my mobile data from my phone is really bad. So imagine how much data I need to just upload like a YouTube video. I can't even load like WhatsApp statuses just to watch. I can't do that. So you can imagine how hectic it is to upload a whole video. But once I manage, I will. I think I'm gonna go to Wimpy tomorrow and try the Wi-Fi there. We'll see, because in Gibbs, the Motswana hotspot thing, the free Wi-Fi that we have like in malls, it's really quick, guys. It's really quick and efficient. Like I sometimes use that to upload my YouTube videos. It doesn't even take 15 minutes, literally, to upload a video. In my halape, that's a whole different story. So I really don't know, guys. I really don't know. So yeah, I am by the mall now, and okay, guys, there's no line. Sure, I mean there's 4 people, but that's good. Hi guys, so I'm going to post this vlog finally, so I just thought I should just say bye bye properly. So yeah, bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next upload, whenever that'll be. All right, bye.